volume by volume. So what is volume percentage, students? The volume of solute, present in 100 ml of given solution is called volume percentage, or 100 ml of solution is called volume percentage. So therefore volume percentage is equal to volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of the solution into 100. So for example, volume of solute V2 by volume of the solution V1 plus V2 into 100. This is volume percentage. So volume percentage equal to V2 by V1 plus V2 into 100, where V2 equal to volume of solute, V1 equal to volume of solvent, V1 plus V2 equal to total volume of the solution. So it is depends on temperature. So here volume, that means it is depends on temperature. This is volume percentage. For example, 10% weight by volume 10% volume by volume of H2SO4. It means 10 ml of H2SO4 present in 100 ml of water. Okay, students, 10% volume by volume of H2SO4. It means 10 ml of H2SO4 present in 100 ml of water. That means 90 ml. 90. Next one, 30% weight by weight of volume by volume of HCl. That means 30 ml of HCl present in 100 ml of water. 100 minus 30, that means 70. This is volume percentage. Next topic is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage. Mass means weight by volume. Weight by volume percentage. So here the weight of solute present in 100 ml of the solution. The weight of solute present in 100 ml of the solution is known as mass by volume percentage. So here mass by volume percentage, weight by volume. Mass by volume percentage equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. So this is mass by volume percentage. So it is depends on temperature. So for example, 10% weight by volume of sucrose, 10% weight weight by volume of sucrose. It means 10 grams of sucrose present in 100 ml of the solvent. Solvent means what? 10 grams of sucrose present in 100 ml of the solvent. That means what? So here 20% is weight by weight of glucose. So what is the 20% weight by volume of glucose students? 20 grams of glucose present in 100 ml of the solvent. So this is mass by volume percentage. Next one, parts per million. Parts per million. Parts per million. ppm. Parts per million. What is parts per million? The number of parts of the component present in 1 million parts. 1 million parts means 10 power 6. 10 power 6 parts is known as mass parts per million. So parts per million means the number of parts of the component present in 1 million parts of the solution. 1 million parts of the solution is called parts per million. Parts per million. The number of parts of the component present in 10 power 6 parts, 1 million parts of the solution is called parts per million. That means parts per million equal to mass of solute, mass of one component to the total mass of solution into 10 power 6. So mass of one component to the total mass of all components into 10 power 6, 1 million parts. So this is parts per million. Here 3 ppm. 3 ppm is 3 grams of solute. 3 grams. 3 grams of solute present in 10 power 6 parts. 10 power 6 parts. For example, 6 ppm. 6 ppm is 6 grams of solute present in 10 power 6 parts of the solution. So this is parts per million. Okay, student. Okay, next topic is molarity. Molarity. It is denoted by capital M. So what is molarity? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. What is molarity, students? The number of moles of solute. The number of moles means M. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter. That means 1000 ml. 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. It is denoted by capital M. Capital letter M is denoted by M. Therefore, molarity M equal to number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Volume in 1 liter. That means number of moles M by V liters. This is the formula for molarity. So molarity M equal to N by V liters. Since number of moles N equal to, we know the weight by gram molecular weight. So number of moles equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Therefore, molarity equal to N means weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V liters. Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V milliliters. What are the units of molarity, students? Molarity means number of moles. Moles per volume is liter. So units of molarity equal to moles per liter or molar. Moles per liter, molar. It is depends on temperature. Depends on temperature. This is molarity. So molarity means number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. Therefore, molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by milliliters or weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V milliliters. Next, for dilution law, molarity equal to M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. For dilution law, formula M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. M1 M2 means molarity, V1 equal to initial volume, V2 equal to final volume. Next formula, molarity in chemical reaction. M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N, where M1 V1 by N1. M1 equal to molarity, V1 means volume, N1 means number of moles of one component. So M2 V2 N2, molarity, volume, and number of moles of another components. So this is molarity in chemical reaction. So for example, problem 1. Calculate the molarity of 5 grams of NaOH present in 450 ml of the solution. Calculate the molarity of 5 grams of NaOH present in 450 ml of the solution. So here 5 grams of NaOH given that 5 grams means weight equal to 5 grams, volume equal to 450 ml. Next one, gram molecular weight of NaOH equal to sodium 23 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 1 equal to 5. Therefore, molarity M equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V ml. Weight 5 by gram molecular weight 40 into 1000 by V means 450 ml. 0 0 0 0 50 by 4 into 40. 5 nines are 15, 5 nines are 45, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 5 by 80 equal to 0.278. So this is molarity of the solution. First one. Okay, students, next problem is a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molarity of the solution? So students, 10% weight by weight. So here 10% weight by weight of glucose. Glucose means 10 grams of glucose present in 90 grams of water. 90 grams of water. That means weight of glucose. Weight of glucose equal to 90 grams, 10 grams. Weight of water equal to 90 grams. That means volume of water. Volume of H2O equal to 90 grams. Gram molecular weight of glucose. Gram molecular weight of glucose equal to 180. What is the molecular form of glucose? C6 H12O6. 6 into carbon 12 plus 12 into hydrogen 1 plus 6 into oxygen 16 equal to 1. Therefore, molarity capital M equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V ml. So, weight is 10 grams. 10 by gram molecular weight of glucose 180 into 1000 by V 90 ml. 0 0 0 0. So 100 by 2 5s are 2 9s are 80. 50 by 80. So 0.617 molarity of this. Okay, students, 50 by 81. That means 81 50. 0.2 81 6.0. That means 0.617. Yeah. So this is molarity of this solution. So here 10% weight by weight. 10% weight by weight means 10 grams of glucose present in 90 grams of water. That means volume of water equal to 90 ml. And the weight of glucose equal to 10 grams. Gram molecular weight of glucose equal to 180. So molarity equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V ml. Weight 10 by 180 into 1000 by V means 90 ml. So simplify all these values. Now we get the answer is 0.617 ml. Well, clear, students? So if any doubts, ask me and also send me the WhatsApp group in AIMS college group. Okay. Next one, calculate the amount of benzoic acid. What is the formula of benzoic acid? C6H5COOH. Amount of benzoic acid required for preparing 250 ml of 0.15 m solution in ethanol. So see students, given that molarity equal to 0.15 m. Next one, volume equal to 250 gram molecular weight of benzoic acid equal to 120. Next one, molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by Vm. Here, calculate the amount of benzoic acid. Amount means weight. So, weight of benzoic acid equal to molarity into gram molecular weight into volume by 1000. Okay, students. So, molarity means 0.15 into gram molecular weight of benzoic acid, 122 into volume 250 by 1000 ml. So 25 by 100, 25 by 100 equal to 25 2s are 50, 25 4s are 100. So 25 4s are 100, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 61. So 0.15 into 61 by 2. So 0.575 grams. This is weight of the. So weight of the solution equal to 4.575 grams. So this is weight of benzoic acid.